Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you to a quick fake Snapchat location. Whether you are an iOS user or an Android user, explore with me. First of all, if you are using an iPhone, the tool I recommend is called Loca Change. Now you can see that my location is in California. Next I will show you how to use Loca Change to change the location in 3 steps. Step 1. Download and install Loca Change. Then, open it and click Get Started. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to the computer. Next, unlock the device and tap Trust. Enter your screen password again to complete the process. Step 3. Select the teleport mode and choose a location. Now you can see there are 5 modes in the upper right corner. These represent the 5 modes you can use in this application. To change the GPS location you need to click on the first button, which is Teleport Mode, then pin the location to the map. If desired, you can also select a location by entering an address. Finally, click the Move button. Now you can see my Snapchat location has changed. If you have an Android phone, everything will be easy. First, search Loca Change on Google and download Loca Change. That is. Then you need to go to Developer Options, scroll down completely. You will see Select Mock Location. Click it. Find the Loca Change logo. Click it. OK. Then you can change the location on the phone. Then, open Loca Change and search for where you want to go, New York, and click Move. Your location has changed. Now let's check, and you'll find yourself in New York. Okay, have you learned how to fake location on Snapchat? If it is helpful for you, remember to follow and share with friends in need.